Pangea, the ancient supercontinent, formed approximately 335 million years ago during the late Paleozoic era. It emerged from the gradual collision of earlier continental fragments, driven by the movement of tectonic plates. The process of continental drift, proposed by Alfred Wegener, illustrates how Pangea's formation involved the coming together of existing landmasses. This colossal landmass had profound geological impacts, influencing climate, ocean currents, and the distribution of organisms. As Pangea consolidated, vast interior regions became arid, while coastal areas flourished with diverse ecosystems. The supercontinent's formation led to the creation of extensive mountain ranges, such as the Appalachians and the Himalayas, resulting from the collision of continental plates. As species adapted to these changes, they'd face isolation as Pangea began to break apart 175 million years ago. This fragmentation led to the emergence of distinct biogeographical regions, driving evolutionary divergence. Understanding Pangea's creation provides critical insights into contemporary biodiversity and geological processes, emphasizing the interconnectedness of Earth's past and present ecosystems.